The most expensive choice humanity can make is doing nothing. Inaction is not neutral. It is an active decision to allow damage to compound. Every year without restoration increases costs, not linearly but exponentially. Flood damage rises, food systems destabilize, insurance collapses, migration accelerates, conflict multiplies. None of this is hypothetical. These costs are already appearing in national budgets, humanitarian aid and emergency response. Restoration costs are finite. Inaction costs never end. When ecosystems fail, replacement systems must be engineered. Desalination plants, artificial flood barriers, synthetic food chains, these are expensive, fragile, energy-intensive. Nature already performs these functions for free when it is intact. Once lost, we must pay to imitate what existed naturally. That is the hidden debt. Every delayed year increases the scale of intervention required. What could be restored with forests today will require engineered systems tomorrow. What could be stabilized locally now becomes global crisis later. Inaction creates cascading failures. Food insecurity becomes political instability. Political instability becomes conflict. Conflict destroys remaining ecosystems. This is not climate theory. It is systems mathematics. Earth restoration reduces future spending. Inaction guarantees higher future costs. The question is not whether humanity can afford restoration. The question is whether humanity can afford delay.